got it? Jesse's putting ice in his bucket. Make sure it's a true ice bucket thing and not no warm water like everybody else probably did.
It's freezing cold.
It's freaking cold. Don't you lie to me.
I'd take your hat off.
Buckets.
Just a hat and glasses off.
It's alright, glasses have to show.
You guys got to be together so it gets both of you at the same time.
Okay.
Back to back. Do back to back.
We were challenged by Ashley Castle to do the ASL Ice Bucket Challenge. So we're going to do it. And after it's done, I challenge, John Fletcher, Victoria Fletcher, and Megan Morrison. Who do you challenge? And I don't know. You challenge who?
Mom, get out!
Okay, I challenge Jessie Force.
I think you got wet.